Hi, everyone. It's Maggie and Rebecca from Estee Lauder, and we are back with some really exciting news. We're here to introduce you to our biggest launch of the season, new Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex.
That is right. The best just got better.
Now, Rebecca, I've been using some version of this little brown bottle for over 15 years. How about you?
Girl, same. It is my go-to serum. I use it every night. I use it every day.
I love that. So if you've seen any of our previous videos, hopefully you're familiar with Advanced Night Repair because Rebecca and I just can't get enough. Also, we know that most of you are just like us and you use multiple brands and multiple products in your skincare routine. So here's our pro tip. Always start with Advanced Night Repair. You want to start with the lightest texture and most fast absorbing, and then you can layer on your additional products from there.
And you know, Maggie, I do love to pamper myself, so I got to share my ritual. So I take 1 dropper full, just like so. You're going to follow along. I love it. Warm it like this, and then I treat myself to the heart ritual, which is a heart in the center of the face, then 1 on the forehead and down, and then, of course, the rest down the neck.
I mean, the cuticles, like our rule is just don't waste it, which we say over and over again. None of that is going to waste. And if that's still not enough for you, then we recommend mixing a few drops in with your foundation in the morning. And you know, for foundation, it's got to be Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, 56 shades. I'm right now 2 in 2 buff. Rebecca, what are you?
3 and 1. So this is my summer shade. It's called Ivory Beige.
I love it. So all day wear, flawless finish. But you know what? This technique also works great for a midday touch-up. So here we go. I'm going to take just a few drops of Advanced Night Repair and mix it in with my foundation. I'm using a brush, you guys. You can use your fingers, a beauty blender. This is just a nice way to do a quick and easy touch-up. And now I'm ready for the rest of my day.
And you look spectacular.
Thank you.
Listen, take our word for it. You don't want to miss the magic of this little brown bottle, right? Try it now on QVC.com for a limited time.
You won't be sorry. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.